Welcome to Molly's Baking Show. This is my assistant Charlie who's going to be helping me today.
I'm gonna be helping my sister.
He's my little sister today. He's 4 and I'm going to be the boss of it, and I'm going to be showing you everybody how to make a lemon meringue pie today. Next we have to roll out the pastry until it's big enough to fit in here. So we'll have to do it for quite a long time to make sure it gets big enough, otherwise it won't work. This could be delicious. So we split the dish under.
Yeah, split the dish under.
We put all the pastry around the sides. So now we just need to cut it all the way around.
Sister, can I turn?
Maybe. With a sharp knife, Barbie, so maybe not. At the end, after you've cut it all around the outside, the most important bit is to eat some pastry to make your tummy all yummy. Yummy! So now we've put the baking paper in, and if you don't have baking balls, they're the things that make sure the pastry doesn't rise up. So if it rises up, you can't put any filling in it. Next, on our recipe, we need 120 grams of juiced lemon, stop it Gigi, 1 zested lemon, and 100 grams of sugar. Next, we put the lemon zest and the caster sugar into the bowl, and we put it on for 10 seconds, speed 9. So then we add the lemon juice in and 65 grams of butter, and then we cook for 3 minutes at temperature 60. While it's still mixing, we have to crack 6 eggs while it's still mixing. Now we're going to cook it for 7 minutes and on 80 degrees. After you've done it for 7 minutes, this is what you get. Beautiful custard, tastes delicious. I love it so much. The next part of the video, you need to put this butterfly turning thing into the Thermomix to make sure everything breaks up good. Next, we add 4 egg whites into our bowl. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Now you should see that you've got beautiful white stiff peaks of your eggs. The machine's spinning. You should add the sugar through the top hole. Now you have to spoon the yummy lemon filling inside your beautiful pastry case. And then you spoon on the meringue, and then you pop it in the oven. This is what it should look like when you take it out of the oven. Beautiful, crisp, golden brown, and it will be beautiful. So, hi everyone. This is what the lemon meringue pie looks like.
Yes.
It's at the end, beautiful, crispy, and beautiful meringue, and on a beautiful white plate. And all
Hey
the
sister,
yellow.
that's like a big wine.
Yeah, like that. But don't touch it. Okay. And everybody say thanks to my little assistant. This is so good today. And thank you for watching.
Barbecue, barbecue.
If you don't have baking balls, they're the things that make sure the pastry doesn't rise up. So if it rises up, you can't put any filling in it. So
Thank you for watching. Ha! Thank you for watching. Ha! Thank you for watching.